Hi everybody, Charlie Henley, sales manager with Autotronica here. You know, today's new vehicles come with lots of accessories and lots of options, but this Highlander was missing the power liftgate. So we've added it as though it came from the factory. A factory style switch with one-touch convenience is going to operate the power liftgate so you can access your cargo at the rear. The deck height of the hatch is adjustable, so if you've got a low overhang in your garage, it can come down below and prevent any direct contact. Of course, here at the back, we've installed a factory style switch with one-touch convenience. It's going to lower that power lift gate easily. When you're walking out to your vehicle, the key fob is a perfect way to operate the power lift gate. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to unlock and open. Of course, if you've got an armful of groceries, we have an option that we can add of a hands-free, where you wave your foot, just as factory, to close the lift gate. So when you're looking for an upgrade for your vehicle that was missing that factory accessory, we're going to give you an OEM quality service to give you the accessories you need for the convenience for you and your family right here at Autotronica in Anaheim, California.